Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate a GitHub token. This is essential if you want to authenticate with GitHub's API or use certain tools that require secure access to your repositories. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After signing in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the settings options. Keep scrolling until you locate developer settings near the bottom of the left sidebar. Click on it to access the developer focus configuration options. This section is specifically designed for managing API tokens, OAuth apps, and other developer tools. Once you're in the developer settings area, look at the left sidebar again. Here you'll find an option labeled Personal Access Tokens. Click on it, and then from the submenu that appears, select Tokens Classic. This takes you to the page where you can manage your existing tokens and create new ones. On this page, you'll see a button that says Generate New Token. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Generate New Token Classic. This is the traditional method for creating tokens that work across GitHub's various services. Now you'll be on the token creation page. At the top, you'll see a field where you can add a note. This is helpful for remembering what the token is used for later, so go ahead and type something descriptive in that field. It's a small step but can save you confusion down the line when managing multiple tokens. Next, navigate to the expiration section. Click the drop-down menu here and select an expiration date that suits your needs. GitHub offers various timeframe options, and choosing the right one depends on how long you plan to use this token. After setting the expiration date, scroll down through the remaining options. When you've reviewed everything and made your selections, click the Generate Token button at the bottom. GitHub will now create your personal access token. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe, as you won't be able to see it again once you leave this page. And that's it. You've successfully generated a GitHub token that you can use for authentication and accessing GitHub's features programmatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.